Ozempic and weight loss. The shocking truth you need to know. You've seen the headlines. You've seen the transformations. But here's the question everyone's asking. Does Ozempic really make you lose weight, or is it all just hype? Today, we're testing the truth behind the viral weight loss shot that's taking over the internet. Stay till the end, because what we reveal at the 2-minute mark could change how you think about weight loss forever. Let's be real, millions of people are stuck in the same loop. You try every diet, every workout, every miracle detox, yet the scale barely moves. And guess what? It's not your fault. After 35, your metabolism slows down, hunger hormones misfire, and your body literally fights to keep fat. That's biology working against you. Sound familiar? That's where Ozempic enters the chat. What is Ozempic and how it works? Ozempic was invented for type 2 diabetes. But people started noticing something wild. They were losing serious weight. Ozempic's main ingredient, semaglutide, mimics a natural hormone called GLP-1, which tells your brain, hey, you're full, stop eating. So you eat less, feel full longer, and those late-night carb cravings just disappear. Clinical studies confirm it. Users can lose an average of 10 to 15% of their body weight in a year. That's 20, 30, even 40 pounds, all by helping your brain and gut talk again. Pause this right now. Comment, reset, if you're done fighting your cravings and ready to take back control of your body. But let's be clear, Ozempic isn't a magic bullet. It works with you, not for you. It's most effective when combined with better food choices, movement, and mindful habits. Side effects? Some users report nausea or constipation when starting, but they usually fade as your body adjusts. And since it's a prescription drug, always talk to your doctor first. And yes, if you stop using it, studies show you might regain the weight. So it's not a quick fix, it's a long game reset. Here's what's mind-blowing. This one medication isn't just changing bodies. It's reshaping entire lives and even society. People are eating healthier, buying smaller meals, and regaining the confidence they thought they'd lost forever. It's not just a transformation, it's a movement. So, does Ozempic really work? The answer is, yes, but only when you work with it. Your mindset, your habits, your consistency, that's the real secret. If you believe the truth about health should go viral, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe, because we're breaking down the wellness hype every single week. Let's make science sexy again. Join the movement. Reclaim your health.